everybody, this is Alyssa and I'm going to make an abstract rainforest with you guys today. So first you just need to grab a piece of white paper or blue to show the sky, whatever you feel like, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue on some scrap pieces of paper and make it look like a rainforest. So you can do this however you want. You can just rip off some brown for some tree stumps and glue it on. And every rainforest is going to look different from whatever way you look at it, so it definitely doesn't matter if yours looks different than your siblings or your friends. And you're going to add some greens. That would be the leaves. And leaves aren't always green, so we're going to add in some yellow. You can really just make this however you want to. You can have big chunks of trees, you can have little chunks of trees, you can cover up the whole paper. So just keep doing that. And eventually, if you cover the whole page, you'll have an abstract rainforest just like this. Have fun, guys!